name's Trevor Hawkins. I've been in the film industry for a number of years. You can tell by my grey hair. Whole exchange of Pakistani students to NYFA. I'm learning a lot, certainly about Pakistan.
Hi, I'm David Woodley. I have predominantly been an actor for the last 35 years. So I think I've been very fortunate to meet all the Pakistani students. Not only are they fun, they're very respectful. It's something that our students can learn off the Pakistani students.
जीने लाहौर नहीं देखिया और जमिया नहीं